Hey everyone, it's Leo at Kia North Bay. I wanted to show you our new 2022 Kia Soul EX. The Soul EX comes equipped with 16-inch alloy wheels with all-season tires. As you'll see, the Kia Soul has plenty of cargo space for a car its size, as well as a 60/40 split rear bench that folds flat for more cargo room. Let's have a look inside. Soul EX features a large infotainment touchscreen with a backup camera, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. This Soul EX also features front heated seats as well as heated steering. To keep you and your passengers safe, the Soul EX features lane keep assist as well as blind spot monitoring. For your convenience, the Soul EX is equipped with wireless cell phone charging. So come on down to Kia North Bay and take this Soul out for a spin.